Hi kids, how are you all? Are you safe at home? Okay children, today I am going to teach you EVS, a farmhouse, and also I am going to do an activity about this. First I will teach you what is a farmhouse and then I will go to the activity. Children, the farmhouse is also for animals. It's a big place where all the animals live. So that is called a farmhouse. So children, there's a song, right? Oh MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Hear a song now children. So that is the song we are going to see. Okay children, let's see the song and then I will show you the pictures about the farm. Let's go children. Let's go. Come on.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. You're a chick here and a chick there. You're a chick there, chick everywhere, chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. You're a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. You're a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow wow here and a bow wow there. You're a bow, there a bow, everywhere a bow wow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. You're a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a grunt here and a grunt there. You're a grunt, there a grunt, everywhere a grunt. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there. You're a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here and a neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. 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 Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick here and a chick there. You're a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. You're a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. You're a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow wow here about, there about, everywhere about, wow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here about, there about, everywhere about, ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a grunt grunt here and a grunt grunt there, here a grunt, there a grunt, everywhere a grunt grunt. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
The song, children? Yeah. Now let's see some pictures about the farmhouse. Let's go. Come on. Now you have understood what is a farmhouse. Now you know who all the animals live in a farmhouse. Okay, children, now let's do an activity about the farmhouse. Come on, children. In workbook 2, page number 123. Page number 123. Okay, children. So this is a farmhouse here. So this is a farmhouse. Okay, children, let's see who are the animals in the picture. Come on. What animal is this? It's a sheep. It's a sheep. What animal is this? It's a horse. Horse. What animals are this? What bird is this, children? It's a cock. And this is a chicken. And what is this? It's a pig. So all this lives in a, that lives, children, it lives in a farm. Who are the animals in the picture? Now let's see the activity. Color the picture using crayons. So what you have to do, you have to take crayons and color it according to the instruction given by the facilitator. Facilitator is me. Okay, I'll tell you what color you should put and you should color it. Okay, children? Children, you all know the clouds. What color the clouds are? It's blue. What color the clouds are? It's blue. So what is this? It's a horse. Horse. What color is the horse? It's brown in color. What color is the horse? It's brown in color. And you can color the tree green. The house you can color any color you want. It's your wish. You can color anything. The cock. What color the cock is? What color? What's it has? So it has red in color and all its feathers are brown, green, red. You can color anything. The chickens, what color the chickens will be? Some of the chickens are white, some are yellow, different colors you can color the chickens. The pig, you can color the pig pink, you can color the pig. Or black, or brown, anything you can color the pig. Then you can color the water blue. So children, now you understand how to do the activity now, children. Practice at home. Bye. Take care.